Okay, so my first ride out with the GoPro, and it's very cold, but let's see how we get on. So let's see what it's like down by the river. Oh, beautiful. Oh, we got some ice still. Oh my word. Gosh. Oh, just did a bit of a slip there. I wonder what it's going to be like on the rest of it. And I need to be a bit careful here. Sorry. Wow, this is slippery. I think I might just stay here on this bit. Oh, look at those geese. I'll keep it on for a bit. Ooh. Let's scare the geese away. No, they're cool. Okay, now this is actually a little scary. This is like basically riding on a ice. Whoa. If I start slipping here, I'm in. Oh, there we go. Whoa. Oh. Not the greatest bit of footage, but oh, it's beautiful. Look at this. Cold, freezing cold. Oh. Doesn't get any nicer than this. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow, it's really running high. There's no wave at all. It's normally a big wave up there. It's so high. Beautiful. Ah. My next house. GoPro, stop capture. Okay, beautiful bit down here, very bumpy today. Fortunately got some people ahead of me. Hiya. Thank you very much. Lovely, nice bit of sweeping downhillish. So there's no one else. Oh, thank you. So annoying. Yeah, beautiful day. Ow, that hurt. Oh. Now, a long slog up through my favourite valley around here. Okay, switch back to head cam just to capture some of this side stuff here. This is easily my favourite little bit of riding around here. It's absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately it's early morning sun, well, early-ish morning sun, so actually it doesn't look too bad at all, but in the evening when the sun is coming from over there, it comes through here, getting a bit of burps, and it is absolutely wicked. It is cool it is sick, as my son might say. I often see loads and loads and loads of deer up through here. Oh dear, I can't see any. I left my nature camera out here the other day, somewhere about up there, watching one of these trails, and caught quite a few nice deer in the evening after it snowed, so it was all quite nice. Ah yes, it is gorgeous, it is beautiful. I'm very privileged to have this on my doorstep, that's for sure, and I don't take it for granted. Oh dear, waxing lyrical, might start crying. See previous videos for details. So this is interesting. This bit is normally impossible to ride, well certainly for me anyway, because it's so muddy and wet. But because today basically everything is, there we go, famous last words, everything is essentially rock hard. It's like a frozen waterfall down here. Look at this, look at that, gorgeous, sort of frozen in time. It's actually quite relatively famous last words, easy to ride over. It's like all crunchy, but it's sort of frozen. Well, actually, whoa, there we go, famous last words. Whew. Oh, lovely. Yeah. Section through here. Look at the view down the valley. Gorgeous. Oh, look at this. So beautiful. Tell you what, the camera's bouncing all over the place. So I'll be impressed. Oh shoot. If we end up, oh crikey. Whoops. We end up some smooth footage now. But there we go. Okay, so for anyone who's ever done any geocaching, you'll know what's going to happen next. A few months ago, I started geocaching and I thought, you know what, I'm going to start hiding some myself. So I did. So, can anyone see a geocache around here? Well, I'm going to give people the coordinates of this log and some clue, and they're going to all look around like this, and they're not going to be able to find it because cheeky little me hit it there. So there's my little geocache, hopefully you can see that. And I put a little hook up under here, there she blows, and she's gone again. So I reckon that's going to be pretty difficult to find, but we shall see. Look at it, oh look at it around here, amazing. Right, I'm going to switch from head cam to bike cam because there's a great bit of whooshy stuff and a marvellous downhill coming up. I'm a bit worried about because it might be a bit slippery. Right, just getting to the top of the downhill. Oh, another nice ring to negotiate. Hopefully no more there. Need to be a bit careful. But let's see. So it's going to be bumpy. Lovely. There we go. Yep. That's bumpy. Oh, I hope that's not slippery down there. Oh, fantastic. Woo. There we go. I guess this isn't going to be icy, but oh, that didn't sound too good. Woo. Oh, lovely. Now that does look a bit icy, so let's be a bit careful. Oh. Excellent. Woo. Oh. There we go. Oh, coming to the end of the off-roady bits. Lovely ride, beautiful weather, freezing cold but warming up. Oh, nice little bit coming up. Yeah, it's so smooth at the moment. It's so, oh, not smooth, that's the wrong word. It's so not muddy, I guess that's the way I'm going to describe it. Lovely jubbly. Oh, how gorgeous is that? Ooh. Very nice indeed. Definitely does it. Definitely does it. Ooh. That's bright. I might just stick to the... Oh, how gorgeous is this? And the worst bit about where I live, which is nice, but it's at the top of a hill, so every time final slog. Ugh, what a ride though, beautiful.